Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Google Pixel 6 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer around the screen edges. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the LCD screen from the right hand side. Create a small opening and insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. The flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic car pry tool to avoid internal damages. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right hand side to the left hand side and keep it like an open book. Next, take out the connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, undo 9 screws on the logic board bracket. Next, gently lift the bracket by loosening the graphite tapes. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera. Next, undo 2 screws securing the rear camera. And then pull out the not working rear camera module by disconnecting 2 plugs. Next, place and connect the new rear camera module to the board and then secure 2 screws. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the board bracket by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the LCD screen for testing. Once the testing has done, secure the connector bracket. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber band to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.